Hey there, jet setter. Ever been curious about what airlines and flight crews might be keeping from you? From secret rules to behind-the-scenes tricks, there's a whole world of mysteries aboard a flight that you might not know. In this video, we're unveiling some jaw-dropping flight secrets that could revolutionize your travel experience. But wait, before you dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you stay in the loop with all our awesome content. Let's go! All right, folks, let's kick things off with a behind-the-scenes look at our fearless pilots. Did you know that pilots go through rigorous training and continuous education? They aren't just sitting in the cockpit looking cool. They're making real-time decisions to ensure your safety at 30,000 feet. In fact, they spend years in simulators honing their skills before they ever take the controls of a real aircraft. Here's a little secret. Pilots are masters of communication. They constantly talk to each other and the cabin crew throughout the flight. This teamwork is essential for keeping everything running smoothly and for ensuring you have a comfortable journey. But here's something that might surprise you. Pilots also need their beauty sleep. On long-haul flights that can last 10 hours or more, airlines provide designated sleeping areas for pilots. These cozy compartments, usually hidden from the passengers, give pilots a chance to recharge while the other pilot is in the cockpit monitoring everything. These rest zones come equipped with bunk beds, dim lighting, and soundproofing to create the perfect sleep environment. Some even have privacy curtains and climate control. This controlled rest is crucial for keeping pilots alert and ready to handle any situation that may arise. Fun fact: pilots are legally required to get a certain amount of rest before operating a flight. This regulation helps prevent fatigue, which is key to keeping everyone safe in the skies. So, when you see those pilots looking fresh for landing, it's not just caffeine at work, it's strategic planning. Now, let's talk about seat selection. Did you know that where you sit can dramatically impact your flying experience? If you want a smoother ride, aim for seats near the wings. They experience less turbulence. And if legroom is your thing, the exit rows are your best friends. Just remember, you need to be ready to help in case of an emergency. But hold on, not all exit row seats are created equal. Some have limited recline or are right by the galley, which can get noisy. Always check the seating chart before you book to find the best spot for your needs. Next up, let's shine a light on the unsung heroes of the skies, our fabulous flight attendants. Did you know they undergo extensive training beyond just serving drinks? They're experts in safety procedures, first aid, and even diffusing difficult situations. Here's a pro tip. If you're polite and respectful, you might just score some extra perks. A friendly smile can work wonders, and you never know when you might get an upgrade or some complimentary snacks. All right, ever wonder why the cabin lights dim during takeoff and landing? It's not just for ambiance. The primary reason is safety. In the event of an emergency, dimming the lights helps your eyes adjust to the outside conditions. If there's an emergency evacuation, you'll be better able to see your way out of the aircraft. Plus, it allows the crew to see if any emergency lights are malfunctioning, ensuring everything is operating as it should. Now let's tackle a topic you probably haven't thought about: plain water. The tap water used for beverages and hand washing comes from the aircraft's water tanks, which, let's be honest, aren't cleaned as often as they should be. So, if you're concerned about the quality of the water, stick to bottled drinks or sealed containers. Your stomach will thank you. And here's something everyone wonders about: oxygen masks. When they drop down from the overhead compartment, they're there to provide immediate oxygen in case of cabin depressurization. Always remember to secure your mask first before helping others. Here's a little secret. The oxygen isn't pure, but a mix that helps you breathe at high altitudes. And don't worry about fitting the mask. It's designed to accommodate all sizes. Just stay calm and follow the crew's instructions. Now let's chat about those pesky delays. We've all experienced them, and they can be super frustrating. But here's a secret. Weather isn't always the culprit. Sometimes it's due to crew scheduling, maintenance issues, or air traffic control restrictions. Ever wonder how flight crews handle disruptive passengers without causing a scene? They use discrete codes. For instance, codes like Code 1 or Code 2 signal that a situation needs attention. This way, all crew members are informed without alarming other passengers. This smart communication ensures that issues are dealt with efficiently while keeping the cabin calm and collected. Okay, Let's break down why you need to switch your phone to airplane mode. Activating airplane mode disables your phone's connection to cellular networks, preventing any interference with the aircraft's navigation systems. It's not just a rule, it's for everyone's safety. And what about those mysterious noises you hear during the flight? Each sound serves a purpose. When the landing gear deploys, you'll hear a loud clunk. That's perfectly normal. It's just the gear locking into place. Plus, the beeping you hear could mean the crew is communicating with the cockpit or signaling that the seatbelt sign is being turned on or off. So always stay tuned for crew announcements. So there you have it, a thrilling peek behind the curtain at flight secrets that airlines might not want you to know. By understanding these little details, you can ease any anxieties about flying and make your journey even more enjoyable. If you found this information helpful, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insider travel tips. Until next time, safe travels and happy flying.